Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we're going to be talking today about the Teguar TRT 7080-12 tablet, and what not only about the tablet, but I want to also talk about the port replicator desktop port replicator right here. What a lot of people don't realize is Teguar is one of the few tablets that comes with a port replicator that is IP65 rated. So you can spray water on this thing, it's dust proof, grime proof, all that kind of good stuff. It's an easy drop-in design where you just drop it in and you'll be able to have your external keyboard, mouse, Ethernet. You can even hook an external monitor to this port replicator so you don't have to use the tablet's smaller screen. In addition to that, it supports hot swap batteries, which if you look right here, there's a battery port that we can pop the battery in. So anyways, if you take a look here, we've got Windows up, and what I'm going to do is we're going to talk about the hot swap battery real quick. If my battery is going dead and I need to replace it, take a look at that. I've got the battery out, it's still running. It's got a smaller battery that lasts for a minute or two, so you can change out the battery. I just put the battery back in. Now the unit is still up and running. So we don't have the problem of turning the unit off, swapping the battery out, and putting the battery back in. So let's go back to the Replicator. The Replicator, actually, its competition in Panasonic or Dell, they don't have a rating on any of their desktop port replicators. This one is IP65. The other advantage to it, like I said, is you can be charging your secondary battery in here, so that if you need to hot swap in and out of this tablet like I just showed you, you'd be able to pop that battery out that's fully charged and keep working. Other great features on this is the ports. We have two USB ports, a Ethernet port right here with a serial port for those legacy applications that you may need to deal with, and of course your power port right there. Basically, does everything you need it to do. You'll be able to do everything like a full-fledged desktop computer can do. You'll be able to have dual screen setups, high-speed data transfers, with either Wi-Fi, you get Thunderbolt-like speeds, whereas the other ones, they're limited to older USB 2.0, like the competition. We won't mention names, but the competition to this class tablet. And remember, this is a fully rugged tablet, so it's got an IP rating of 6.5 as well. Hey, do you know what IP rating means? Check out my video on IP rating or read my blog. But basically, you'll be able to spray water on this, and in a future video, I got to tell you, I'm going to spray water on this, and I'm even going to test it further by dipping it in water to see if it'll still work. But stay tuned for that video. Basically, that's all I got for you today. Leave your comments down below, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.